Welcome to Daily Fix Guide. And in this video, we're going to talk about if we can make a Google account without a phone number verification. So the phone number verification is kind of required nowadays to basically prevent spam and abuse. But of course, it's not always necessary. You can do, as an example, some workarounds to increase the potential of not getting the option of verifying your phone number, which will be required, as an example, to create your Google account. So the first thing that you would like to try is try to use the Gmail sign up on desktop and also on incognito mode. So go into incognito mode, depending on any browser that you have. So an example for me, open it with the shortcuts Control-Shift-N. For you, it might be different. Of course, for you can just click on 3 lines or 3 dots at the top right corner and click on new private window. So an example here, I'm just going to type gmail.com, or for you can go and type accounts.google.com/signup. Then for me, I'm just going to click on create an account and I'm going to choose for my personal use. The first name, you can fill it up, and the last name is just optional. So I'm just going to name here enter my first name. Here I'm just going to enter some other informations and the gender as well as an example. So click on next. And here they'll tell you, example, some suggestions for the email that you want. If you don't like any of those, you can click on create your own and simply just type the one that you like. For example, for me, I'm just going to do something like that. Click on next and let's see if it's available. So it's taken. So I'm just going to add one more X and click on next. It's taken as well. So I'm just going to remove the X because I want to remember it. So I'm just going to do something like this, or even I'll keep next and click on next, and this should be good. Now here, I will have to create a password. So let me just go here and create a password. Make sure it's a strong password that contains numbers, letters, and everything. And this is what I'm going to do. Make sure it's longer than this and click on next right here. So as an example, for me, I get this verification code required. So I'll have to enter my phone number and I'll have to confirm that I am not a robot. If I go and click on next, they will keep asking me to enter a phone number. So this is something that you will not always guess. You will get it from time to time. Specifically, if your IP address is known to them. If your IP address is known to them, you have multiple Gmail accounts, they will probably ask you to do so. So I would advise you to change your IP address by resetting your router, by, as an example, trying to connect to another Wi-Fi or something like that. In some cases, if you do so, Google will skip the phone number page and only ask you for a recovery email. And this works best if you're using a new IP or any clean browser profile. Keep that in mind. Of course, if you want to do so in Android, they will not ask you for sure for a phone number if you're on a brand new Android phone or after a factory reset. If you use your phone and you try to create an account or a new account with the same phone, they will definitely, or you have a higher chance to add a phone number. So this phone number is not required, but it has kind of, I guess, the chance of 80% of having it as a verification that will be required to create your account because you used your IP or you used your device for multiple accounts creation. So they want to verify that you are not a robot. Also, you will increase, of course, the chances of you not getting this if you put your age under 18, but it should also be above 13. Because Google is less likely to ask for phone verification for younger accounts. But keep in mind, these accounts may have some limited features like on YouTube restrictions or something like that. And of course, how can you know that you're not going to get this? So normally you shouldn't get this page. Instead of that, you'll get the email verification or recovery email instead of the phone option. And then you can enter another email that you control, whether it's a Gmail or whatever it is, and you'll be able to create your account without a phone number. Keep in mind, whatever I said in this video don't always work. Google may still ask you for your phone verification depending on your IP, device, or even usage history. So make sure to avoid any shady fake number generators, which is most don't work and can get your account locked and banned. So yeah, that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.